I'm so excited because I received this book from my friend Rene. I can't wait to open it. I've been waiting for this for a year. Well, maybe 2 years, maybe less than a year. I don't know, however long. But anyway, here we go. I'm opening. Let's see what's inside. I can't wait. I'm so excited. I just know about the book, and I've seen a few images of what the title page or what the cover might look like. And then, of course, I know all about Rene's frustrations getting this book to publication and actually making it real. So let's see. Here we go. There's something. I wish I knew how to flip this camera so that it wouldn't be in reverse. But I guess I can watch the video through a mirror. Living in Shitville by Rene. Ooh, here it comes. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Long way around. Upside down. Okay, upside down. And, oh my gosh. And there was something that came out with it. Look at that. Can't wait. This is the back cover. Wow. My friend and my mentor, Rene. Okay, let's look. Wow. That's pretty amazing. The Face of a Brain Injury. Wow. I'm kind of a little bit shocked. That is tremendous. The graveyard of my professional skills. This actually makes me want to cry. Wow. Well, I'm going to take some time out to read this. Look at that. Day 25, March 14th. Rene's escapades in this beautiful country. Oh my God, look at that. These beautiful photos. Wow, these are gorgeous. Okay, 1 minute. Let me see what's. Oh my God, I love this. Look at that. Thank you so much, Rene. That is magnificent. Oh, thank you. That is just precious to me. Thank you. This is an amazing book. Okay, let's go through it. Flip through. Wow. Unbelievable. Toilets. Okay, I'm gonna start reading. Wait, last thing is the map. Let's see. I know Memphis is on that map. Is it? Pretty sure Memphis is somewhere over there. One of those pins is Memphis. How cool. Thank you, Rene. Oh, good luck. I'm gonna post this on Facebook groups, OT groups. I love you so much, and I'm so proud of you. I love you, Rene.